Okay. All right. This is Sister Crystal here with Other Side of 40. And I'm doing this quick video. Um I'm gonna say thank you to everyone who has supported me um all this time. I appreciate you guys. I'm making this video because it's entitled Declutter, and decluttering my life and everything. So I've got a bag of clothes here. Again, I haven't done this in a while, so I don't know if I can show you guys. So look here, I've got a bag of dress clothes. I don't know if you can see this. Getting ready to donate some clothes that I was holding on to for when I lose weight, but I'm like, nah. Someone I was talking to, they was like, girl, get rid of that stuff. And I'm getting rid of I'm not holding on to people and situations that are not good for me. So that's the title of this: letting go, decluttering everything, including on social media. I don't know if you can really see. I like it. I'm gonna say it's a size 12. I'm far from a size 12. I can't wear it anymore. Why am I still holding on to it? Why am I holding on to stuff that I can't fit? Why am I holding on to people and situations that are not good for me, thinking things will change? So declutter your life. Don't wait until spring cleaning to declutter now. So this is for me as well as other people. Again, thank you so much for everyone who supported me. And I'm SistahCrystal on all platforms. And you'll be surprised. I've got some stuff coming up. And if you really are looking for me and you miss me, just put SistahCrystal in. You'll find me. But thank you so much for listening. Declutter your life, declutter your closet. Don't hold on to stuff that's no longer good for you. That's it. It's 23 degrees out here. I got to get on, but getting ready to donate the stuff to the Salvation Army. Alrighty then.